Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Eternights game not loading or stuck on loading screen or stuck on infinite loading screen on PC. And this is for the Epic Games users. So without wasting your time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to modify the game launch options. So open Epic Games, then click on this three dot next to the Eternights game and then click on manage. Now turn on the launch options. And here type -dx11, close the tab, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the manage and in the launch option type -dx12 this time, close the tab, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If still problem not solved, then again go to the manage, remove the launch options command, toggle it off and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Next fix is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow and then click on add an allowed app and then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. Open C drive, open program files, open Epic Games folder, open Eternights folder and then select Eternights exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings, then click on allow another app and then click on browse. Now go to the game installation folder wherever you install the game. So open C drive, open program files, open Epic Games folder, open Eternights folder, select the Eternights exe file and then click on open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked. Then click on OK to save changes. Then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESET, then allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program for a while and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Next solution is to perform a clean installation of graphics card driver. So if you're using NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to this NVIDIA website. If you're using AMD graphic card driver, then go to the AMD website. If you're using Intel graphic card driver, then go to the Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and reinstall it. And then you can launch the game and check. So I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website and once you are on this NVIDIA website, you have to enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select the operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on this view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen, click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option. So select this custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box. So tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Next solution is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphics settings and open it. Click on add desktop app. Now go to the game installation folder. Open C drive, open program files folder, open Epic Games folder, open Eternights folder. Select Eternights exe file and then click on add. After adding it, expand it. And next to GPU preference, select high performance. And then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next fix is to run the game from the game installation folder or run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Epic Games, click on this three dots next to the Eternights game and then click on manage and then click on this folder icon next to installation. This will open the game installation folder. Now double click Eternights exe file and see if that helps or not. If not, then right click on it and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Hit apply, OK. Then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8. Hit apply, OK. Then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from here select Windows 7. Hit apply, OK. Then launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then check mark disable full screen optimization option as well. Hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then untick all these 3 boxes from the compatibility tab and hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6 is to verify the game files. So open Epic Games, click on this 3 dot next to the Eternights game, and then click on manage, and then click on verify next to the verify files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to delete the Eternights save data. Now please take a note, you will lose all the save game progress. So keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to do it. Open File Explorer, go to C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. If you don't see app data folder, then click on this view, so, and check mark hidden items, then open app data folder, then open local folder, then open Studio Sci folder. Here you will see this Eternights game folder. So right click on it and then first copy it and then paste it to desktop first to keep the backup. And after keeping the backup, right click on this Eternights folder and then select delete to delete it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is given in my video description. And once you are on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Then click on x86 version. Again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 9 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. If none of these solutions work for you, then simply uninstall the game from the Epic Games launcher, then just restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Eternights game not loading, stuck on loading screen, or stuck on infinite loading screen on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.